Hi, this is Suzanne for Rainbow Loom. Today I'll be showing you how to make the ladybug bracelet. This is an advanced level design. To make this bracelet you will need 8 green colored bands, 16 yellow colored bands, 4 pink colored bands, 9 red colored bands, 3 black colored bands, and a C-clip. It's a good idea to have your supplies ready before you begin, so pause the video here until you're ready to follow along. Now, let's get started. Place your loom so that the red arrow is pointing away from you. We'll start placing bands from the middle pin. Grab a green band, stretch it from the middle pin forward and slide it down. Next we'll be placing a flower on the bracelet, so use your yellow band. Place your first yellow band out to the left, and then the next one out to the right. The fourth band will be a pink band. And then place a yellow to the center and another yellow to the center, and that completes your first flower. We'll do this again. Place a green band, then a yellow out to the left, yellow out to the right, and pink forward. Then yellow from the left to the center, and yellow from the right to the center. One green band, and now we place our ladybug. Place a red band from the end of the stem out to the left. Your next band will be placed to the right. Place a red band forward and then in. And then into the center. It's the same shape as the flower, but we continue. Place one band up the left side, one band up the right side, then from the center out to the left, then from the center out to the right, then we place a black band from the left to this pin, then from the right to that pin, and then a black band from the center out to the edge. And there we've completed placing our ladybug. Then we continue. We're going to form 2 more flowers, so we place a green band, then a yellow, pink forward, then a yellow, and a yellow, green band, one last flower, yellow, yellow, pink, yellow, yellow, and then we finish with one last green band, and we add a cap band to this last pin. Grab your green band, twist it into a figure 8, loop it back upon itself, and place it on that last pin. Now we're ready to start looping the bands. Turn your loom so that the red arrow is pointing toward you. We'll start looping from the center pin. With your hook, pull the cap band back, grab your green band and loop it forward. We'll loop the yellow band out to the left. So it's the top band in there, pull that out to the left. And then we'll loop the next yellow band out to the right. That's the next band down in there. And then we'll loop the pink band forward. That's the last band down in there, and we looped that forward. Now we loop the yellow to the center, pull these bands back, loop that to the center, pull these back, loop that to the center, push it down, then we loop the green band forward. Loop the yellow out to the left, loop the yellow out to the right, loop the pink forward, yellow into the center, and yellow into the center, and the green band forward. Now we're ready to loop the ladybug. It's very important that you follow the exact order that I show you. So the first band we loop in the ladybug is this top black band. We pull that forward. Then we reach in and grab the next black band, and that gets pulled to the left. Notice how each of these are forming that teardrop shape. Then the last black band gets pulled to the right. Next, we loop the red band into the center, pull the black bands back, grab the top red band, and that gets looped to the center. We do the same on this side, pull the black bands back, grab the top red band, and pull it into the center. Loop the left side forward, loop the right side forward. Now we loop from the center out to the left. Reach in with your hook, pull all the bands back. You'll be grabbing the top red band and pulling that out to the left. Then you reach in, grab the next top red band and pull that out to the right. The last red band will be pulled forward, and then we pull these into the center. Pull all the bands back, grab it, pull it to the center, and then pull this one to the center. Now we have 2 more flowers to loop. Pull back, loop your green band forward, loop yellow to the left, yellow to the right, pink forward, pull these back, yellow to the center, yellow to the center, green forward, grab the top yellow, that goes to the left, next band gets pulled to the right, and pink gets pulled forward. And the last band gets pulled to the end. Now we're ready to finish the bracelet. Pull the bands up to the top of that pin. Slide your hook down through there, tilt it out, place a band on the end and pull against it. Pull your hook up through there, place both bands on your hook and move it up to the thickest part. Then you can pull your bands from the loom. If made on one loom, this bracelet will need to be extended to fit a wrist comfortably. To extend the bracelet, you must first decide how many additional bands you'll need. You'll place these bands along one side of the loom. Smaller wrists may only need 3 or 4 bands to extend their bracelet. Larger wrists may need 6 or more. So once you've placed the bands that you need for your extension on your loom, you'll place the cap band from your bracelet on this last pin. So you get your bracelet and locate the cap band, and you stretch that from the last pin to the one behind it. Then you loop the bands of your extension. Once you hit this last pin, you'll stretch that band to the center, and this creates an area where you can attach your C-clip. Grab your C-clip with the open side facing forward and snap that over the bands. Once that's on there securely, you can lift your extension from the loom. On the other end of your bracelet, pull your hook away, slide your 2 fingers in that band and stretch it. Pull your bands to one side of your C-clip and then snap it over there and pull it to the other. And there you have your finished ladybug bracelet.